Yo, Jaden, what's new in the parts world today?
Well, what we have here is a new Tech Portable Air Compressor. So this requires no cords unless you're charging it. It can be taken with you anywhere.
Does it fit in the backpack?
It does fit in the backpack. Might fit in your glove compartment as well.
Sure.
You can charge it on the go.
Does it just do ATV wheels and tires?
No, it does not. It'll also do your bicycles, even your vehicle. It'll work for basketballs and soccer.
Perfect. Was there any other applications this can be used for?
Yes, there is. It can be used as a winter prep tool, such as if you lose power or you need to charge your phone. It's good for that too, and it also has a built-in flashlight.
Sweet. How much is this?
This unit is $69.95. And if you want a cheaper option as far as just wanting to air up your tires, we have this option here, your mini air compressor made by Bike Master, which is $37.50.